y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video today, I wanted to give y'all 4 different hairstyles that you can do with spring twist, or 4 different hairstyles that you can do with a short bob hairstyle. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. So this style right here, I should have finished it because it was looking cute. I don't know why I didn't, but just consider this a little bonus. So basically it's like a side flat twist only for half, and then the second half your hair is like falling and drooping around your face. And just to hold the side twist, you just put in some bobby pins up where my hands are, and then boom, style. Yes, period. Thanks so much for tuning in, y'all. I hope y'all got some style inspiration that you can do with your hair, even if it's short and cut into a bob. Stay beautiful. Be blessed.